And this is what the modern hive looks like inside. It is made out of styrofoam. We can observe a place for a bee nest. The type of the hive is called dadanta, and this part of the hive is called archegonium. This is where the queen lives. Special frames will be put here. To create the honey frame, this part should be put right here along with some smaller frames. This is the hive's ceiling. When this part of the hive is full of bee nectar, it is taken up and the empty one is put below. Finally, the hive may become really high. Honeycombs that are taken from a hive get melted through the glass that it exposed at sun rays. And that's how we get the bee wax out of which wax candles are made. It smells really nice, just like honey or propolis or simply everything that can be found inside a hive. And these are raised with no more wax inside. They will be replaced with new honeycombs. It takes 1 day only for honeycombs to get melted into a wax. Here you can see some other residents of Lipka. There is so much bee nectar in this hive that the bees build some extra honeycomb. They need to get at least 2 new frames so that they have enough room to store the bee nectar. It is possible to extend the hives by adding frames. Now you can see the hives from the outside. Bees have got their special entrance to the hive. You can see them flying in. A bee would never enter any other hive than its own. It can recognize the right hive by the smell of its queen. Let's take a look at the honey frame. There are no eggs or larvae here. There is only honey here. If the bees close up all of the cells, this means the honey is ripe and can be taken for a spin. You can get around 700 grams of honey out of such frame. Let's turn the frame. Can you see the queen now? It lays 2000 eggs daily. It lasts 21 days for a bee to be born out of an egg. For the first 4 days after birth, a bee is busy cleaning up the cells. Queens can be marked with one of the following colors: white, yellow, red, green, and blue. To make a wax candle, you need special forms. The forms can have different shapes. Each of us got a stick in the middle of which we had to make a twine hitch. We got to know about wax candles' incredible health properties. We had to be careful while making our candles. We were advised to keep the parts of the forms really tight so that the hot wax wouldn't leak out.